It's another week of Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we're going to make meatballs, but not just any meatball. We're going to make an Anti Pasta Meatball. I never heard of an Anti Pasta Meatball. Did you ever hear of? If you did, good. Congratulations. Well, today we're going to make an Anti Pasta Meatball. You know why? Because I want to have it for dinner tonight. So I'm going to go start the grisauce, and then I'll be back to teach you how to make an Anti Pasta Meatball. Yes, I did say grisauce. It's not gravy, it's not sauce, it's grisauce. I will be back in a second to teach you guys how to make an Anti Pasta Meatball. Grisauce cooking back there. I got Frankie Meatball over my shoulder. He's putting some pressure on me because I'm making meatballs today. But anyway, I did my mise en place. Okay. You want to get the lunch meat cut like 1/4 inch. You know, nice and thick. Just look at this. And the lady at the deli counter might give you a little attitude, but who cares, right? So anyway, I got my mise en place, okay? I got a 1/2 medium onion. I got 4 nice sized cloves of garlic. I have a little less of a 1/2 bunch of parsley, a teaspoon of oregano, and my modification to this recipe, a whole tablespoon of basil. 6 slices of white bread. We got 2 slices of a 1/4 inch thick, as close as you can get to a 1/4 inch, of provolone, salami, gabagool or capicola, some mortadella, and 1 hard-boiled egg. I discarded the yolk because I'm not crazy about the yolk, okay? So now, what you want to do with your bread, you're going to chop this up a little bit, okay? Just chop that up. Chop this bread up. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put it in a bowl, put it off to the side for now, okay? Now, these meatballs, I'm going to use 2 different kinds of meat. I got ground beef, 80/20, and I got Italian sausage. This is 2 pounds of beef and a 1/2 pound of Italian sausage. If you're going to make a 1 pound of meat, so just cut the sausage in half, you know what I mean, quarter pound, or just throw it all in. But this is going to be 2 pounds of ground beef with a 1/2 pound of Italian sausage. Before we mix everything up, we're going to saute the onions, the garlic, and the oregano in olive oil. Alright. You got that sauteing? Again, you want to make sure you mix it around so that garlic don't burn. Trust me. You burn your garlic, you might as well throw it all out and start over. Okay, guys? It's okay. It happens. You know, you burn it. Burning garlic's like falling down. You fall down, you get back up, and you do it again. So what we're going to do is we're going to saute this. Okay? We're going to get everything soft. Let those flavors come together. Okay? And then we're going to put it to the side and let it cool off. I'm going to let this cool off. What I like to do, put it on a piece of aluminum foil and spread it out so it can cool off. Go like that and spread it out. That's fine. Since there's a lot of oil in there, what you could do is just pull it up like that. Make it kind of like a boat. And you don't have to worry about it blowing all over the place. Before we start mixing our meat and everything, you got your chopped bread that you put on the side in a bowl, right? We're going to come back here and we're going to get some grisauce. And we're going to get a little sauce for the grisauce. Just put maybe 1 ladle of it. maybe 2 ladles of it. And doesn't matter. 2 ladles of grisose, that's all you need. Again, not sauce, not gravy, but it's grisose. Capiche? That's what we call it on Frankie Meatball. So we want to do just, touch your hand. It's going to be a little hot, but I mean, if you're a cook, you're used to touching hot stuff. You know, we got our grisose and our bread. We're going to put it off to the side. No more breadcrumb, guys, for my meatballs. Some bread with some grisose. Boom. That's how I'm going to do it. We want to mix up our meat now. Before you put all your ingredients in, you want to combine, you want to mix together the ground beef and the sausage. Just run your hand through it and squeeze it together. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? Nice and mixed up, right? I love it. You want to mix it together like it's, you want to be a priest. You know what I'm saying? You want to say, I now pronounce you sausage and beef. You put them together to become one, right? To become one, like a priest does for a marriage. Hey, oh. We got our meat all mixed, okay? So I'm going to hit it with some salt. I'm going to hit it with some pepper. Okay? I'm going to throw my basil in. Throw the parsley in. A half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, mix. Again, you want to put a couple ingredients in. I like putting all the spices in first, mixing it up. Okay, you want to mix it really nice and good. One thing at a time, mix. One thing at a time, mix. One thing at a time, mix. You know, so I put the seasonings in and the cheese in. And I mix it. Yeah, I mix it. I grab from the bottom, over, boom, down. From the bottom, over, down, boom. Once everything's kind of together, I pick up the bottom of the meat and push down. Spin the bowl. It's a good workout. You make meatballs all day long, you're going to have a pot pie and a poo pie. But the seasonings are mixed with the meat and the sausage. Okay, I'm going to hit it with another salt and pepper. Okay? Alright, a little more salt. I'm going to throw the bread in with the sauce, blue sauce. We have our meat with our bread. I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Boom. 2 eggs. And I'm going to add in the garlic and the onion. Now, again, when you mix, just grab it from the bottom, push it down. Alright? Mix all that together. Oh, it smells so good. That's semi-mixed, right? Scrape the sides, put that all down. I'm going to throw in the egg. More egg. But this is already cooked, hard-boiled. I don't know about this, but you know what? My buddy Shane Cash said it was good. Anti Pasta, I get it why, you know, with the hard-boiled egg. Yeah, I think it's going to be good. I'm telling you, I think it's going to be, you know, it's not your traditional meatball. It's a meatball 0.5 or 5.0, whatever you want to call it. It's a kicked up meatball. So, you put the egg in, mix the egg up a little bit. If you're going to donate money, donate it to the veterans. You got to take your hat off to Chef Robert Irvine. He does amazing stuff for our troops family. Go to I think it's Robert Irvine Foundation Fund. Donate some money to our veterans, because without our veterans and without the people, we won't have our freedoms. That's why I love what this guy does. But anyway, check out the Boardroom Vodka. That's really good, nice and smooth. I'm telling you, I'm not a vodka drinker, but you know what? I think I drink vodka now, right? So, anyway, let's put some some of our provolone cheese. We'll put our provolone cheese. I'm going to grab a little hit, gabagool, some salami, and we're going to mix that in. Just throw a little in, mix it, throw a little more in, mix it, throw a little more in, mix it. Scrape that off the sides. Oh, this looks amazing, guys. All right, check that out. Huh? Looking good, huh? Get yourself some sheet pans. Line it with aluminum foil. Spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. Okay? And then, you know, just make your balls. You don't want them too big. I like mine. I like mine kind of like that. I don't know if they're too big, but this is how I like my balls. So, just make them like that. Make them the size you want, guys. I'm not going to tell you how to make them. Not too big, not too small. Balls are rolled and ready to go in the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 so you can get these guys in, get them cooked, get them in, get them out, and eat them. Boom! So look at these meatballs. These are some wild looking meatballs, man. I'm going to put these bad boys in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. Then take them out, sauce them, back in for another 15 minutes. I can't wait to sink my teeth into these balls. 15 minutes in the oven, 350, guys. See you back at 15, guys. Our meatballs cooked for 15 minutes. Now, we're going to throw some grisauce on top of them and then stick them back in the oven. Now they're grisauced, and we're going to throw them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. I can't wait to sink my teeth into these. Oh my God. There also was a lot of grease on there, so what I did, I drained some off and grisauced it. We're going to put them back in the oven on 350 for another 15 minutes, guys. Hang tight, guys. They're going to be in the oven for 15 minutes. And while they're in the oven for 15 minutes, I'm going to get some plates ready. And I'm going to get a couple forks ready. And I might even go buy a bottle of wine. They look so good. Huh? See you back in 15 minutes. We are going to plate these up. These from Wilmax.com. I got these to serve my meatballs in, and this is the first time I'm actually going to get to serve the meatballs in it. I like to place. I'm going to place them in here like that. I'm going to serve them up. I tell you, tonight everybody's going to love these. They are going to love these. I can't wait to taste them. I cannot wait to taste them. I cannot wait to taste them. Look at that, guys. Oh, maron, eh? Look at that. We made meatballs on Cooking with Frankie Meatballs. Look at that, guys. Huh? We're gonna sprinkle some cheese. I love these Wilmax dishes. I'm so glad. I'm telling you guys. I mean, they got small things. They got a lot of little things. Salt, pepper shakers, gravy boats. I mean, you don't have to buy a full set. Everything's separate. Go to Wilmax.com, guys. I'm plating up and I'm getting ready to eat, guys. Let's look for a nice one. All right, we're gonna sprinkle some of this on top. I'm gonna cut this open, and we're gonna taste this. We're gonna taste this. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look, guys. Look how good they look. All right, we're gonna cut this open. We're gonna see what they look like inside. Look at this. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that cheese melted. Look at that. Look at these. Look at that, guys. Come over here. Take a look at that. That looks so good. Now, we're going to taste. Let's see this. Oh, nice and moist. Oh, man. Shane, good job in the recipe, buddy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry guys, I just gotta finish one. This is so good, guys. I love this recipe. Again, this ain't Frankie Meatball's recipe. This is Shane Cash's recipe. This is Frankie Meatball sharing his recipe, making it, guys, I'm telling you, out of this world. You gotta try these meatballs. Guys, I need your email address. I have too many stickers left. Nobody's emailing me for stickers. Email me. You need your sticker, guys. Email me for your stickers. Guys, you're going to love this. Make it. Please make it at home. You're going to love it. I'm telling you. If you like what you saw today, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to share it on your social media page. We got to get this recipe out. This is the Cash's Meatball. The Cash Anti Pasta Meatball. That's what I'm going to call it. That's what I'm going to file it under. Again, email me your address for a Frankie Meatball sticker. I'm telling you guys, these stickers are awesome. I want everybody to have a sticker. Have your stickers. You can have your stickers.